In my opinion, getting a new boss is more challenging than handle a heavier workload. The main reason is that each boss has a different working style, personality, or an expectation. It often takes a long time to build trust and understand what your new boss really wants. For example, my previous manager were very flexible, but new boss preferred strict ruler and report, which were hard for me to adjust. On the other hand, heavier workload can be managed with better time management or teamwork, but dealing with a new boss often involve emotional stress and uncertainty. So for me, getting a new boss is harder challenging.